Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is question number 3, and we will solve question number 4 as well of day 8. So, in this question, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equals to x cube minus x square at the point 2, 4. Also, find the equation of tangents to the curve which are parallel to the x axis. Okay, easy question है, simple है. सबसे पहले इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट के लिए स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट पे चले जाते हैं. Okay, so dy by dx, first step. So dy by dx equals to 3x square minus 2x, and we have to find the slope of the tangent at point 2, 4. So we will use 2, 4. So 3 into 2 square minus 2 into 2, 12 minus 4 means 8. Okay, so the slope of the tangent is 8. Now we have to find the equation of the tangent. So class 11th, y minus y1 which is 4, m 8, x minus x1. So y minus 4 is equals to 8x minus 16. So y is equals to 8x minus 12. So this is the slope of the tangent. Now second part is also find the equation of tangent to the curve which are parallel to x-axis. Now we have parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis means slope is 0. So now dy by dx, we have dy by dx is 3x square minus 2x. It means slope of tangent is 0. So we can take common x, 3x minus 2. So x will be 0 and x will be 2 upon 3. Okay, so now we have to make the equations. So if x is 0, so y is also 0. Means at x equals to 0, the slope of the tangent is 0. It means we can easily say y minus c. If I find the y coordinate when x is 0, at x equals to 0, the slope of the tangent is parallel to x-axis. It means when I substitute x equals to 0 in the main function y is equals to x cube, y is equals to x cube minus x square, so it gives y as 0. So we can apply the thing y minus y1 which is 0, slope of 0, x minus 0, so it will give y is equals to 0, means x-axis. Now next we have x equals to 2 by 3. So when we have x equals to 2 by 3, so we can use this again main equation. So 2 by 3 whole cube minus 2 by 3 whole square, so it will give y is equals to 8 by 27 minus 4 by 9. When I take LCM, it will give 27 minus 4. So y is minus 4 by 27. Again we can apply the form y minus y1, y coordinate is minus, means 4 by 27, is equals to m, parallel to x-axis, slope is 0, x minus something or something is 2 by 3. So it will give 27y plus 4 upon 27, it is equals to 0. So we can make this. So this is the first part. The solution of first part is this, the solution of second part is this, and the solution of third part is this. Now let's move to the next question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equals to this at the point whose abscissa is minus 1. When abscissa is minus 1 means x coordinate is minus 1. We can find the y coordinate as well. Okay, now solve this question. Okay, we have the function x, y is equals to 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x. Now let's find the y coordinate as well at x equals to minus 1. Okay, when we put x equals to minus 1, it will give minus 3 minus 2 plus 4 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. So y coordinate is minus 1. Okay, now find the equation of the tangent. Okay. So dy by dx, slope of tangent 9x square plus 8x plus 2 at x1, x minus 1, y minus 1. So it will give 9 minus 8 plus 2. So it will give 3. The slope of the tangent at this point is 3. So now we can find the equation. Y minus y1, which is minus 1, equals to m x minus x1. So y plus 1, 3 into x plus 1, y plus 1, 3x plus 3. So 3x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Now next part is also find the coordinates of another point on the curve at which tangent is parallel to that already obtained tangent. Means क्या कह रहा है, अब वो पॉइंट भी फाइंड करो जो अभी हमारा स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट आया, दैट इज 3. अब ऐसे पॉइंट फाइंड करो जहाँ पे इसके पैरेलल टेंजेंट बन सके. मीन्स ऐसी पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करो जहाँ पे स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट इज 3 हो. कोई इशू नहीं है. तो dy by dx वी नो. इस पार्ट के लिए हमें dy by dx ऑलरेडी मिल गया. वी नीड टू फाइंड x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट. तो वी हैव dy by dx एज 9x² प्लस 8x प्लस 2, 9x² प्लस 8x प्लस 2, एंड वी हैव द स्लोप इज 3. मतलब हमें इस जिस टेंजेंट का स्लोप 3 है उसके पैरेलल टेंजेंट फाइंड करने किस कोऑर्डिनेट से जाएंगे. सो 9x² प्लस 8x प्लस 2, मेक द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. 9x² प्लस 8x minus 1 is equals to 0. 9x² plus 9x minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Take 9x common, x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So we have two value, x is 1 by 9, x equals to minus 1. minus 1 वाला हमने already use कर लिया है. Now x equals to 1 by 9. If x equals to 1 by 9, we have to find the y coordinate. Okay, 3x cube, 4x² plus 2x. 3x cube plus 4x² plus 2x. And we know the x coordinate, so we can find y coordinate as well. Okay. So 9 cube is 729, but when we divide 729 by 3, it will give 243. 4 upon 81 plus 2 upon 9. LCM will be 243, 1, 12, okay, 9, 2 is 18, 27, 54, okay, 54 plus 12, 66, 67. So y coordinate is 67 upon 243. So the answer will be 1 upon 9 comma 67 upon 243. So this is the coordinate. Thank you.